Well, that water in the Bahamas is just so warm, Chris. And there's very little shear. This storm will regain its old strength. Maybe not 145, but certainly it will regain significant strength. So here's where we are right now. We're at about 125 miles per hour, gusts at 155. So yes, it lost a lot of strength when it hit Cuba last night. It's still moving north at 10 into very warm water. And it is still now just to the north of Cuba, that northern tip of Category 3 storm. It doesn't look very good on satellite, but it is still going to be a very impressive storm, gaining more strength as it runs up the east coast and then makes a very quick beeline to Florida. So where am I most concerned? Literally, I am most concerned from about West Palm all the way up to, let's say, Sebastian Inlet, that little cape that sticks out right there. Category 4 storm on Friday morning. This is Thursday night, midnight really, right there, very off the east coast. Now, every single model that I've looked at this morning continues to take the model slightly offshore, maybe 20 miles. But Chris, you know 20 miles is nothing when it comes to forecast error. There is a significant chance that this storm runs right up the east coast and scours the entire beach area with 120-mile-per-hour storms. Now, there's also a similar chance of it staying offshore, making all the rain fall offshore, and we only get winds of 50. So we have to prepare for 120 and hope for 50. Those are the differences by just a 20-mile deviation one way or the other, because the eye is where the power is, the rest is where the flooding, and we could see mudslides and things like that as we get up into the Carolinas if the rain is that big up into the Piedmont and the high country there of South Carolina. Right now, that's not the forecast. It's still possible, but not the forecast.